Hello viewers, you are welcome once again to my channel. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to integrate. And the question on the board says we should find the integral of 1 minus 4s plus 3s squared ds. So solution. We're asked to find the integral of -1 to 1 minus 4s plus 3s squared ds. So from the interval of -1 to 1. So I'm asked to integrate this. So to integrate this, we have to integrate the whole of this bracket. And to integrate, if integration of constant is just to use this one multiplied by this s, I'll have 1 multiplied by s is ys, which is equivalent to s. And open a bracket, which is equivalent to s. So minus 4s. To integrate this 4s, remember this 4s is to the power of 1. So, and in integration, what you are going to do is to add 1 to the power and and also bring the power to the denominator. What I mean is this 4 is this 4s is raised to the power of 1. So if you add 1 to that 1, I have 4s 1 plus 1. Then also I'll bring this power to the denominator, 1 plus 1. Then plus the same thing applicable to this 3s squared. This square you add 1 to the power, then what? Then you bring the power to the denominator. I have a 3s squared plus 1 all over 2 plus 1. You close the bracket and the interval is from -1 to 1. So I can went further to simplify this. S now minus 4 s 1 plus 1 is equals to 2 all over 1 plus 1, which is 2, then plus 3s 3 all over 3. The interval is -1 and 1. So from here now I can still wait further to simplify this. S minus 4 divided by 2 is 2s squared. So 2 can go into 4 2 times. Then plus this 3 divided by 3 is 1. So I'll have an s cubed here to the interval of 1 and 1. So we're going to use interval to substitute. Anywhere we see s, we substitute, and the lower interval is -1. We're going to start from the lower interval. So from here now, there's s here. So I have put -1 minus 2 into -1 square plus -1 cube. Close the bracket, minus then the upper limit, which is 1. And I also replace it with s, which is I will have 1 minus 2 into 1 square plus 1 cube. So from here I can went further to simplify this bracket. So the first one is -1. I'll have -1 minus 2, and this -1 is square. So -1 square is 1. Then 1 multiplied by -2, I'll also have a -2. Then the next one is a -1 square. -1 square is -1. And -1 multiplied by this positive sign, it will also remain -1. So we are done with the left hand side. Minus 1 minus 1 square is 1. 1 times 2, it will give me 2. So plus 1 to 1 raised to the power of 3, that is 1 cube, it will give me +1. So from here I can say -1, -2, and -3, it will give me -4. Minus 1 minus 2 is -1. Minus 1 plus 1, it will give me 0. So -4 minus 0, it will give me -4. This is the integral of this with the limit from -1 to 1. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.